most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet, Brad.
In our opinion, of course,
In our humble
Bob.
opinion. Today we're going to talk about arthritis relief exercise program for the neck and arms. We already did one for the back and legs.
Sure.
So now we're going to make it complete.
Absolutely, Bob. It's very important to be complete.
And it's going to be done in the seated position. It's just something you could do once or twice a day just to keep the joints moving.
Sure.
You want to make sure you're catching all of them.
Exactly right, Bob.
So, by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to bobandbrad.com.
That's right.
Go to the giveaway section because right now we're giving away a doozy. We're giving away a far infrared heating pad.
I'm keeping my hands warm with it right now.
Yeah,
It works great for hands, back, hips, the whole works.
It actually comes with a couple straps that you can strap onto your back.
Right.
And actually work with it.
Yeah, at the computer.
And it penetrates deep. Just real quickly, Brad, can we show?
Oh, yeah, 2.36 inches. Here we go.
So the normal heat only penetrates skin surface, through the
Yep.
skin surface, and their heat will go 2.36 inches.
Get into those muscles and joints.
All right, enough of the sales job, Brad. Okay, you can go to Facebook. It'll be pinned at the top of the page, the contest that is. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program.
That's right, Bob. Carry on.
So the key to arthritis relief is one, joint protection. You want
Sure.
to make sure you're not putting too much stress on the joints.
Yeah.
And we'll do a video on that, Brad.
That's a good idea.
But the second thing is you want movement. You think they hurt, so you don't want to move them.
Right.
But by moving them, you're increasing blood flow. You're increasing the synovial fluid, which is kind of the oil of the joint.
Right. Yeah. It's a matter of not getting too aggressive, and sometimes certain movements work and other ones don't. So you work with what works, and eventually
do what it'll give you.
Exactly.
Let's start, Brad. We're going to do 5 times each joint.
Yep. Okay.
And we'll start with the hands. So we're going to do the tabletop.
Ah, the infamous tabletop.
And then we're going to go to the claw.
Mm-hmm.
Tabletop, claw.
So then you just Yeah, my right hand has definitely got some stiffness in it in the morning.
Now, let's see what we can do about it.
Yeah.
All right. How about a full fist and extension?
So open the palms
Full
up.
fist, extension. Full fist, extension.
Well, sometimes you get a facial expression that kind of wakes you up a little bit in the
All
morning.
right. Now touch each finger with the thumb. You can go reverse it if you want.
So
that'll count as a one.
How many repetitions are all these?
5.
5.
And I'm going to go one more. Okay.
Oh, yeah, nice.
All right, we go to the neck, Brad.
Yep.
With these, you want to have really good posture. You want to do the side knees.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And so you're going to start with the rotations. Again, I don't want you forward head like this and going like that. Yep. Straight as you can. Rotations. We can go 5 times in each direction, Brad, actually.
Alternate right, left, or 5 right and then 5 left?
However you want to do it.
All right. That's a
Whatever
good idea.
Blows your hair back, Brad.
Wow. I don't have I just got it trimmed high and tight, so.
All right.
I want to mention breathing, really, seriously.
Right.
Make sure you're breathing relaxed in your nose.
It's very easy not to. It's
Out
very
the
easy
mouth.
to hold your breath. All right, let's do some extensions. Now, you can do a chin tuck before you do the extension. Chin tuck, an extension, chin tuck, and extension. Chin tuck is not going down, going up. It's going straight back and going back. Some of you might feel a little bit of pain with this. If that's the case, you may want to watch for our videos on neck pain. We got how to use a towel with that.
Sure.
All right, how about side bends, Brad?
Yeah. Again, Bob mentioned it, but I'm going to emphasize it. If you're creating any pain with where it's a sharp pain, do not, get into that. Just go very gently with these. Things will loosen up.
And good posture always on these, especially the neck. It's really important. All right, we're going to go to the arms. All right, this won't take long when you do them all in a row like this.
Right.
So just shoulder flexion. We're going all the way up.
Breathe.
Yep. Now you might want to take your hands.
Sure.
And clasp them because one of them might not go as far as the other, and you can have that one help.
You bet.
The straggler.
And especially on this one, make sure you breathe in while you go up because your rib cage is expanding.
Feel that
anyways.
chest, yes.
Man,
Okay.
wakes you up.
How about internal rotation,
Oh yeah.
external rotation. That's
So,
kind of a weird one, isn't it,
yeah,
Brad?
and some people are probably likely going to have one shoulder maybe a little stiffer than the other, so it may not go as far, and that's okay. Just work with it.
Okay, you can go like this too, but
Sure.
it doesn't work as well this way.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right.
All right, forearm pronation and supination. So what you're doing is you're opening the palms, you're going palm down,
Palm up.
palm down, palm up, palm down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm just
Okay.
my
Wrist
hands look-
flexion and extension. So you're gonna bend down, up. You can even go off your legs if you want to
Yeah.
go like this to
There
give
we
yourself
go.
a little bit of support.
Mm-hmm.
Get those wrists moving. We already did the fingers, so we're back down to where we started.
Sure.
And then radial and ulnar deviation. So you're going like your radial is this way and ulnar is this way.
Yeah,
So
or just think to the pinkies, to the thumbs. Kind of like a windshield wiper. Small motion.
There we go, Brad. You
Well, that's the
got
way I-
away with words.
Yeah, that's the way I think.
So again, when you get this down, you can do it in 5 minutes, and then if you want to throw in the legs too, you can throw
Sure.
that in.
Yep.
With 10 minutes, you got all the joints moving, and you're ready for your day.
Yep, absolutely. Go out there and go get them.
Remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything.
Except for,
Broken heart.
but we continue to work on it. And Bob, I don't know, have you got any extra?
I'd like to see some proof of that, by the way. That you've been working on. All right.
I got a
right.
whole book on it. You know, I got
Yeah,
notes going.
yeah, I bet you
It's
do.
just a matter of accumulating into an organized piece of
All right.
information.
Everybody's left by now. Thanks for watching.